Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we'll be making this butterfly ruffle skirt. I don't know what they call it, but that's what they call it. So in trying to make this skirt, the only measurement you need is your waist measurement and your hip measurement. The length I use for this skirt is 60 inches. That's the length I use. So what you need to do is get your hip measurement and your waist measurement. So my hip measurement plus 5 inches, I added extra 5 inches because I want the ruffles to like flow well. So after at the waistline, when you are adding your 5 inches at the waistline, you reduce anything that is remaining after adding the 5 inches. So you're going to cut it out. So this is me cutting the excess from the waistline, and whatever that you have from your hip measurement, you're going to cut it all the way down. That is, the measurement you have at your waistline is what you're going to have till the end of the fabric. So this is the bag. I have to place the front on the bag to get the back piece or pattern, whatever they call it. So the only thing you just need to do is that you're going to place it on the back, and then you trace out the side on the same thing you did for the front. So I added extra 1.5 inches for the back zip allowance. So yeah, what you're going to do is that you will add 1.5 from your waistline down to wherever the length of your skirt stopped, because you're going to put zipper for your skirt. And after that, I have to cut out the excess and make sure that the front is aligning with the back too, because you have to align the ruffles have to be aligning with the back part of the skirt. So this is me cutting out, trying to divide. One thing I'm going to do is to notch wear, because notch where my waistline stop, that is to mark out the 5 inches where I will start sewing, because I'll be sewing two lines. Okay, here I've ironed it out. Sorry, I have joined the two piece, the back. I've joined it together and I'm ironing it out. I have to iron it out first. That's number one. I have to iron it out. Then I have to turn the back of the back. I have to turn the back of the fabric and the back of the front, because we're going to be sewing from the front of the fabric. That is, we're going to be sewing from the right side of the fabric. That's where we're going to be sewing. Then when you spread it out like this, you're going to make sure that you are going to check again to make sure that what you marked out is what you're going to sew on, because definitely imagine sewing after sewing two lines and it's too tight, or it's too, this type of skirt is better when it's a little bit loose on your body. So when you are sewing or trying to mark out the 5 inches, make sure that what you are leaving, the space you are leaving for your body, is not going to be too tight, because definitely the draping will not come out well. So here I have gone ahead to join both sides to run the two lines. So this is the elastic I'm using. The length of this elastic is 26, because I wanted the skirt to be below my knee. So this is 26 inches for the elastic. So I'll be passing this elastic with safety pin. I'll be passing it with safety pin through in between the two lines that I've ran through my fabric. So after going forth with the whole thing, it was difficult for me because the line that I stitched for the elastic to pass through was too tiny. So I was finding it very difficult for the safety pin to pass through. But anyways, we finally did that. So I've gone ahead to finish up inserting the elastic in between the lines that I have stitched. Then I also went ahead to add my band, which is 1.5 inches, and I also did my zipper. I also added my zipper too. So let's say, oh my gosh, this is looking it like the draping came out, like you can see it's draping. And see, now it's draping well. This butterfly skirt is giving everything. So guys, subscribe, follow, and watch out for next time. Thank you.